this video, we are going to discuss one of the most important topic, that is cell. When you are watching this video, make sure you are having pen and paper with you in order to prepare notes. Okay, let's start the cell. Basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms is cell. We know that our body is made up of various cells. All organisms are made up of cells. That various cells in our body combines to form tissues. Various tissues combine to form an organ, and these organs combine to form an organ system, and various organ systems combine to form an organism. Cytology is a branch of biology which deals with the study of the cell. Important points about the cell that are frequently asked in the exams. Anton van Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a living cell. The Robert Brown discovered nucleus. Robert Hooke introduced the term cell. Sladen and Sketchwin cell theory. They gave the cell theory. Rudolf Virchow modified cell theory. The largest known cell is unfertilized ostrich egg, and the smallest cell is PPLO, mycoplasma. The full form of PPLO is pleuropneumonia-like organism. The largest human cell is female ovum, and the longest cell is neuron. Types of cells, there are basically two types of cell, prokaryotic cells and eukaryotic cells. Pro means primitive and karyos means nucleus. Cells which do not have a nuclear membrane and other membrane bound organelles are prokaryotic cells. Example is bacterial cell. Eukaryotic cells, U means true and karyos means nucleus. Cells having well organized nuclear envelope and several membrane bound organelles present in unicellular and multicellular organisms. Example, plant cell, animal cell. Cell consists of nucleus, cytoplasm, outer membrane. So, nucleus consists of nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleolus, chromatin. Cytoplasm consists of cytosol and various organelles. Outer membrane, cell wall in plants, and plasma membrane. We will discuss about these all in further slides. Nucleus. Nucleus is also called the controlling center of the cell. Discovered by Robert Brown, contains the information in the form of nucleic acids within chromosome. This is the diagram of the nucleus. You can see here. Next one is plasma membrane. What is plasma membrane? That plasma membrane is a thin, elastic, transparent, semi-permeable and regenerative membrane that is composed of lipid bilayer. Bi means two, with protein molecules and carbohydrates. Lipid molecules formed of cholesterol, phosphoglycerides. Mitochondria. Mitochondria is also known as powerhouse of a cell. Oxidation of food occurs which result in the release of energy, and this energy is stored in a ATP form. Ribosomes. So what are ribosomes? The function of the ribosome is protein synthesis. Tiny granules, these composed of RNA. Okay, present in the outer surface of nuclear envelope, ref endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum is a series of interconnecting membrane canals. You can watch the image over here also. There are two types, that is smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. Golgi apparatus. That is first observed by Camillo Golgi in 1898. Sorry, it was 1898. That consists of flat disc-shaped sac stacked parallel to each other. Convexus or the forming phase and the concave trans or the maturing phase. important site of formation of glycoprotein and glycolipids. You can also watch the image over here. Next one is lysosomes. Lysosomes are also called suicidal bags of the cell, that is polymorphic, having hydrolytic enzymes. These enzymes fiction at function at acidic pH, help in carcinogenesis. Carcinogenesis is conversion of normal cells into cancerous cells. That next one is vacuoles. Vacuoles are the membrane bound space in cytoplasm bound by tonoplast. In plants, tonoplasts facilitate transport of ions and other material. In amoeba, contractile vacuole important for excretion. These are very important points, that in amoeba, contractile vacuole important for excretion. In protist, food vacuoles are formed by engulfing the food particles. Plastids. Plastids are present only in plant cells. These are of three types: chloroplast, green; leucoplast, white; a chromoplast of various colors other than green. These are just of three types according to their colors. Chloroplast is also known as kitchen of the cell because chlorophyll is present in chloroplast where photosynthesis happens. There is an image of plant cell and animal cell. So we will learn about the difference between plant and animal cell through this image. So what we are going to do, that we will differentiate a plant cell with an animal cell. So basically, if you will watch this image, you will get to know that cell wall is not present in animal cell. Cell wall is only present in plant cell. And vacuole, I am giving the differentiation, okay? So vacuole, the size of vacuole in animal cell is small, whereas in plant cell it's very large. In animal cell, the cytoplasm is present. In plant cell, cytoplasm is also present. Ribosomes are present in both. Plastids are absent in animal cells, whereas present in plant cells. Next one is chloroplast. Chloroplast is absent in plant and animal cells, whereas present in plant cells. Animal cells don't have chloroplast because they don't have the ability to prepare their food. Next, that is all lysosomes occurs in cytoplasm in animal cell, and in plant cells lysosomes usually not evident. So these are some differences in plant and animal cells. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.